today we are roaming around in city with this bullet. Piyush, thank you for taking this video. Now I'll show you the view of me driving this bullet in Leh Ladakh. Cheers guys, thank you so much. Look at the view we've got, man. This is the Leh Palace view from Dreamland Hotel in Leh Marketplace. Okay, we feel a little bit cold, so we'll be going down. I'm just showing you the view. That's why. Look at the view once again. That view, City Palace. हमारा बस so Sumit bhai,
700 देवान,
Piyush and Nick, and we are all shopping here at, he made this beautiful stuff by hand. So yeah, beautiful. I got all this stuff, you know, for my nephew and for my baby girl, everyone.